everybody. Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. And hey, everybody, happy Monday, March 10th. Boy, it's feeling a little more like spring out there, isn't it? I love the forecast. I think you're going to enjoy it. We're going to start off as we like to do with the forecast first. And here it is, starting on Wednesday. We look ahead into the extended outlook now. And we've got a partly sunny Wednesday on the way. Temperatures in the mid 50s. I think mid 50s again on Thursday. Mostly sunny. Same on Friday, but even warmer. Look at Friday's high. We're going to be flirting with 70, and it'll be mild. The next chance for rain appears to be heading in for us on Saturday, but it will still be mild. Temperatures topping out near 70 degrees. That's not too shabby, I would say. Here's a live look now as we have a gander at Fairport Harbor here. And notice the ice is all gone. All those little ice structures that we had up until recently, gone. And some folks out there enjoying the weather. Probably a little cooler by the lakefront than it is inland. Temperatures made it into the 60s today. But lakeside with the water temperature still in the low 30s, yeah, probably a tad cooler. And you can see that windsock blowing there in the foreground, along with what looks like some high-level cirrus clouds, maybe some contrails up there for your viewing pleasure. Okay, we'll move it along, and here we look from outer space. Look at the ice on the eastern end of Lake Erie is still very prevalent and still there. Still some ice on the Canadian side of the lake out toward the Lake Erie archipelago, and some decorative clouds moving there through southern lower Michigan. Otherwise, the rest of the Buckeye State not only snow-free, but basically cloud-free today. We expand the view, cloud shield up into parts of Kentucky and West Virginia, and some more clouds out toward Chicagoland. But that's the closest cloud cover, and it is unproductive cloud cover in our neck of the woods. Down to the southeast, a bit of a different story. They're contending with some showery weather there, but there's some snow over southern Canada, east of Thunder Bay, and over toward Quebec. That's the closest precipitation. Meantime, let's check out the maps as we animate. You can see the winds are a bit frisky because of the pressure gradient. A couple of isobars there showing up, and even a cold front tomorrow morning that is moving in. Now that will trim a couple of degrees eventually for Wednesday, but note there's no color along that frontal boundary, meaning it is precip free, so moisture free along the front. It'll be a wind shift tomorrow night on into Wednesday, and that's what I think. Wednesday will still be under high pressure influence, but it will not be an Arctic outbreak of any kind. This is very modest, moderate air coming in, and should trim our temperatures back into the 50s, still above normal for this time of the year. So we head into Wednesday evening. That front hangs up over central Ohio, but again, not looking like a boundary along which we will find any precipitation on Wednesday evening. So our forecast for tonight, clear and moonlit. Bit of a breeze out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Otherwise, Mercury and Venus, those two planets, will be visible in the western sky just after sunset tonight. And of course, the waxing gibbous moon of March, which will be full. And we've got a lunar eclipse coming up too in a couple more nights. Tomorrow, clouds will be on the increase with a front. It'll be breezy, but still mild. 63, sun up at 7:45. Have you been enjoying the later sunsets? Yeah, they're later sunrises as well. That was a trade-off from the time change that we had. Tomorrow's high, 63 degrees, and then we put it together on the extended, and you can see we're back into the 50s behind that front. Wednesday, Thursday, and then a nice... as we propel our temperatures back up near 70 on Friday, and the same on Saturday with a chance for some rain showers. We'll give it a 70% probability. And that far out, looking that far out in the forecast with a preset percentage that high, I'd say it's a pretty good lock that we're going to have rain around on Saturday. That'll do it, everybody. Appreciate you stopping by. Enjoy this fantastic weather. From the AJ Colby Weather Center, I am Meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.